Most of us find passively consuming slides pretty boring. But what if we had an AI agent that guides you through the experience, creates a really interactive experience where you can ask questions and only focus on part that you enjoy? So that's what we imagined. We gave our AI agent access to Google Slides that it can navigate, it can present, and it can answer questions. And that's what I'll demo to you. So lately, I've been having a terrible time presenting and making a case for tough tongue AI investment. So I asked the AI agent to do that. So let's see how it does this work.
Hello, I'm Paris, and I'm here to present Tough Tongue AI, the ultimate AI roleplay engine. We are seeking investment to expand our reach and enhance our capabilities. To begin,
Got it.
I'd like to
Could
highlight
you
what...
first tell me that who is building this product?
Certainly. We are a team of passionate individuals committed to building an exceptional user experience and delivering significant value to our customers, especially for high-stakes conversations.
Got it. And what is the problem that you guys are solving?
The main problem we're solving is the difficulty in obtaining high-quality practice for crucial conversations. To truly improve, you need consistent, accurate feedback, which is hard to come by. Traditional methods like hiring coaches are expensive.
Got it. And have you guys delivered any outcome for customers?
Yes, absolutely. We regularly receive success stories from customers who have used Tough Tongue AI to achieve
Amazing.
significant outcomes.
And now one more question. How are you guys different? There's so many AI solutions out there.
That's a great question. What sets Tough Tongue AI?
Go ahead.
Our unique strengths lie in several key areas. First, Tough Tongue AI is multimodal, meaning it can create artifacts, diagrams, and other visual aids to enhance the practice experience. Second, it's incredibly fast, providing immediate feedback. Third, we've dedicated significant effort to create a hyper-realistic experience.
Got it. This sounds pretty great to me. So what if I have to invest now? Who should I speak to?
Thank you so much for your time and interest. You can email our founders, who would be delighted to speak with you further.
Thank you. So basic idea here is that if you are presenting a lot and or conducting training, sales training, employee onboarding, or teaching someone system design in all of these cases, rather than passively sharing the slide, in just 2 quick steps, you can use the scenario to create this rich interactive experience. And I will show you how. So the step 1 is that you go to our library and you create the scenario. So I'll walk you through this scenario that I had created. You go to the edit and you write like what on each slide the agent has to say. So for example, I told it in slide 1 what it has to say, slide 2, and not exactly what, but what is the guidance here. And then you go to the tool section and you give in the Google Slides a link to the Google slide that it has to present. And that's it. You just do 2 things and your rich interactive experience is live, and you can just share this URL and your participants can get access to this interactive, high quality, engaging conversation. And as you was seeing, I was being very mean, interjecting any time and just consuming what I needed. And that's the beauty of using AI agent here, because you don't have to consume everything. You just consume what you want and you can go deeper, ask follow-up question. We are onboarding beta testers for this new feature. If you are interested, comment below or just reach out to me. Thank you so much.